everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add confused emotion effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the body effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see emotion. And you can click on it and swipe down until you can see confuse emotion effect. This is the confuse emotion effect, so you just click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the size and for the vertical shift like this, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to add confused emotion effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.